Over 50% of the global workforce is expected to be freelancing online by 2027. That's right, in just a few years, more people will be earning money through the internet than in traditional jobs. But here's the thing, only a fraction are doing it successfully and ethically. So let's change that. I'm here to show you that building a legitimate income through the internet isn't just possible, it's becoming essential. In today's digital age, the opportunities are endless, but so are the pitfalls. Let's navigate this landscape together. That's why today I'll take you to learn to make honest money online. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and that little notification bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our video updates. Plus, it helps us spread the ThriveWise love to help more people thrive wisely. Now, let's begin. The internet is a wild west of money-making schemes. You've probably already seen those flashy ads promising overnight riches or secret systems that will make you a millionaire. Spoiler alert, most of them are BS. The reality? Making honest money online is absolutely doable, but it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Many people jump in with unrealistic expectations, thinking they'll be sipping pina coladas on the beach within a month. Sorry to burst that bubble, but it isn't real. Then there's the scam factor. From pyramid schemes disguised as multi-level marketing to fake job postings that steal your personal info. The online world is riddled with traps for the unwary. Another major challenge is the information overload. With countless gurus spouting contradictory advice, it's easy to get paralyzed by indecision or waste time on strategies that don't work. And lastly, there's the very real issue of imposter syndrome. When you're starting out, it's normal to feel like you don't have the skills or knowledge to succeed. This self-doubt can be crippling, preventing many from even trying. But here's the good news. With the right approach and mindset, these challenges are totally surmountable. Are you ready to learn how? So without further ado, let's dive into the lucrative world of legit online money making. Think of this as your treasure map to the internet's golden doubloons. But instead of risking scurvy on a pirate ship, you'll be risking carpal tunnel at your desk. It is much safer, trust me. Let's start off with number 1, freelancing. First up, we've got freelancing. The art of selling your skills to the highest bidder without ever putting on pants. Though I do recommend pants for video calls. Imagine you're a Swiss Army knife, but instead of tools, you've got marketable skills, such as writing, graphic design, programming, and voiceover work. If you can do it on a computer, someone out there probably needs it done. Here's a fun fact. The global freelance market is expected to grow past $455 billion by next year. That's a lot of unpaid invoices to chase. Now, how do you get started? Well, first things first, figure out what you're good at. Can you write faster than a caffeinated squirrel? How about designing logos that don't look like they were made by a toddler with a crayon? Well, great. That's your starting point. Next, you want to build a portfolio. Think of this like a dating profile, but for your work. Make it sexy. Professionally, of course. Then, it's time to join the digital bazaars where you can hawk your services. I'm talking about platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer.com. When it comes to setting your rates, don't undersell yourself. But maybe don't charge $1,000 an hour for stick figure drawings either, unless you're really good at stick figures. Oh, and here's a little secret for you. Specialize in a niche. Being a jack of all trades is great for cocktail parties, but clients often prefer masters of one. Number 2. Affiliate marketing. Next up, affiliate marketing. Think of yourself as a digital cupid matching lonely consumers with the products of their dreams. Except instead of arrows, you're shooting out affiliate links. Did you know that the affiliate marketing industry is expected to be worth $8.2 billion by the following years? That's more than the GDP of some small countries. Time to build your own little marketing empire. So, how do you get in on this action? You can start by choosing a niche you're passionate about. Love fitness? Great! Obsessed with vintage teapots? Weird, but okay. Then you can start a blog or YouTube channel. This is where you'll share your expertise and sprinkle in those sweet affiliate links. You'll want to join affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or ClickBank. These are like your matchmaking agencies, connecting you with products to promote. The key here is to create valuable content that naturally incorporates product recommendations. Nobody likes a pushy salesperson, online or off. And remember, authenticity is crucial. If you wouldn't recommend a product to your grandma, don't recommend it to your audience. Unless your grandma is really into extreme sports gear or something. Number 3. Selling products. Who needs a brick-and-mortar store when you can have a digital empire? Welcome to the world of e-commerce, where your store is always open and you never have to deal with Karen asking to speak to the manager. E-commerce sales are projected to reach past $6.54 trillion by the following years. That's trillion with a T. Even if you capture just a tiny slice of that pie, you'll be eating well. Ready to get started? First, you need to decide what you're going to sell. This could be physical products, digital products, or even your own branded merchandise. Next, you choose your platform. You've got options like Shopify, WooCommerce, or even just selling through social media. Then comes the fun part, sourcing your products. This could mean dropshipping, print on demand, or making items yourself if you're crafty. And finally, it's time to market like your life depends on it. Because, well, your business kind of does. And here's a little insider tip for you. Start with print on demand or dropshipping to minimize upfront costs. It's like dipping your toes in the e-commerce pool before doing a cannonball. Number 4. Creating and selling online courses. Do you got knowledge? Well, share it. Creating and selling online courses is like being a teacher, minus the joy of confiscating phones and the despair of grading papers. The e-learning market is expected to be worth more than $325 billion by the following years. Turns out, people really like learning in their pajamas. So, how do you get rolling? Start by identifying your expertise. What can you teach that others want to learn? Then, plan your course. Break it down into digestible modules and just think of it as meal prepping but for your brain. Next, you'll need to record your content. This could be video, audio, or written material, or interpretive dance if that's your thing. Choose a platform like Teachable or Udemy to host your course. And finally, it's time to market your masterpiece. Social media, email marketing, carrier pigeons, whatever gets the word out. All you need to remember is that the key here is providing value. Your course should be so good that students feel like they've stolen something when they finish it. But if you're not convinced, let me tell you about Pat Flynn, the accidental online entrepreneur who turned a layoff into a multi-million-dollar empire. Back in 2008, Pat was just another architect, grinding away at his 9-to-5. Then boom, the recession hit, and he got laid off faster than you can say economic downturn. But instead of wallowing, Pat took his study notes for an architectural exam and turned them into an ebook. He threw it up online thinking maybe he'd make a few bucks. Plot twist, that ebook made $8,000 in its first month. Pat realized he stumbled into something big. He dove headfirst into the world of online business, starting a blog called Smart Passive Income to document his journey. Fast forward to today, and Pat's making over $2 million a year from his online ventures. The kicker? He did it all ethically, transparently sharing his income reports and strategies. No get-rich-quick schemes, no shady tactics, just honest, value-driven business. Pat's story proves that with the right mindset, a willingness to learn, and a commitment to helping others, anyone can build a successful online business. It's not about overnight success. It's about consistent effort and genuine value creation. Remember, making money online isn't about finding shortcuts. It's about providing value, being persistent, and staying ethical. Whether you choose freelancing, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, or course creation, success comes to those who put in the work and play the long game. Also, what's your biggest roadblock to making money online right now? Is it finding your niche, building an audience, or maybe just overcoming that pesky self-doubt? Share your challenges below and let's brainstorm some solutions together. And well, that's basically learning to make honest money online. And thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And hey, it seems that YouTube thinks that the next video can completely transform your financial situation. Watch it to find out whether they're correct. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos on how to thrive wisely. Till next time.